Okay lang. Kakatapos lang ng bubble.
Alam, para talaga kayo.
This is what people want.
Ayan. Wait lang. Kinabahan ako.
Kaya lahat.
Oh, wait lang. Anong nagkakat siya?
Okay.
Yeah. Ano daw? Hindi ko marinig.
Kamukha tayo.
Magkamukha ba? Parang hindi.
This is so crazy. This. Let's
Sige, game ako dyan. After ECQ.
GG.
Pero wag lang yung sayaw, idol. Wag lang yung sayaw kasi di ako marunong, please.
Sige, turuan kita sumayaw. Turuan mo ako mag-volleyball.
Oh my God! Oh, sige. Game yan. Volleyball, okay lang.
Screenshot tayo, Lods.
Okay. Sige. Wait. Bye.
You know. Grabe.
Finally! Oh gosh, you're my idol, promise. You know what? You're so good.
You're so good.
Oh, do you watch our games?
Yeah, I watched a few clips of it.
Nice. Pwede ka na mag-volleyball para may kapalit din ako paminsan.
But,
Para ikayo ni Ate Jamie maglalaro na. Pwede na ako, ano.
shoot. This
Oh,
is
yeah.
so crazy. Nood, nagugulat na ako. Ang dami.
34K views, your idol. Oh, naman talaga ako.
Oh my God. It's so
Okay na
crazy.
5,000, di ba? Ayan. Thank you pala sa pag-follow. Oh my gosh. You know what? Oh.
Ay.
I bet a lot of people were tagging you. I can see it.
Yeah, I know.
Oh my gosh. Hindi na ako speak.
Nakabandit. Guys,
My hands are so cold if you can only see or feel it. Oh, actually pala, may teammate kasi her boyfriend. Malapit na sa inyo.
Oh, really?
Dance, yeah. And she's my teammate's really, you're one of her idols talaga. That's why she's getting mad. Kasi ako daw pinapansin mo. Shout out to Ate Kat Tolentino.
Out to you. Hope to see you soon.
Sabi nga niya, alam niya daw yung papunta sa inyo.
Wow.
Actually, my team really loves you. Super idol ka nila.
Oh my.
Kaya daming maiinggit ngayon sa amin, Char.
Ang daming nagulat to. Sobrang expected.
Parang magkamukha ba talaga tayo? Parang hindi. Bakit ito lang hanggang out?
Isa batang version ko, matandang version.
Grabe siya. Ako talaga yung matanda.
Oh my gosh. From edit reality. Oh.
From edit to reality na. Ito talaga. Expectation versus reality.
Ito na yung... Ang dami. Hi guys. Sorry, I don't know why it got cut off. I don't know if it was because of the copyright or there's just this timer when you go live. I don't know, but that was like my opportunity. That was my opportunity. Please, come join again. Sana okay ka lang. Hindi ko alam, nawala eh. Kayo kasi pinapatugtog nung copyright tuloy. Sinisi! Nang blame pa. Ena, let's try. La, di talaga ka to. Lakad. Idol! Idol! Kamusta?
Okay lang. Nakakatapos lang ng bubble.
Alam, para talaga kayo